Infantix! Singing, dancing, and learning!
Hello, my friends! Today we will learn how to make a Santa Claus hat. That's right! Very nice, and it's very easy to do. Pay attention and write down everything we're going to need. Let's go! Cut a triangle about 50 centimeters long with a rounded bottom. And now join them pointed end to end. Now, cut a white strip the same length as the bottom. Make this piece a width of 10 centimeters. With Mom and Dad's help, take hot glue and put some at one end. Now the other end. Look, it's going to close together nicely. Now we can glue the rest of it. Turn your hat over and let's do the same thing back here. This is going to be the inside of our hat. Join it together end to end. And now we're going to use the round scissors to cut the excess. It joins edge to edge with the inside out, just like this. Now, with the hot glue, we're going to close up our hat. Now grab near the tip and turn your hat inside out, just like this. The ball is missing. Now let's take a very small ball and with a toothpick, we will make a hole in the middle of it. Use a pencil to help make the hole bigger. This ball is too small for a hat this size. We're going to wrap it up with this paper to make it bigger. Let's get it the right size for this hat. Look, it's still a little small. Now let's find the small hole and make it a little bit bigger. We're going to use one more piece of paper, but this time with the pencil still in the ball, that way we don't lose the hole. And now it's time for a little bit of white acrylic or cotton. Place some glue and gradually paste it on. Glue it well. And with the pencil, let's open the small hole a little bit more. Let's remove any excess. Use the round scissors to take off any extra acrylic or cotton to make our ball. Now look, it fits in well, and to attach it, we're going to use the hot glue. Use the pencil to help you. Look, it's ready! Now put on your hat and wait for Santa Claus. I hope you enjoyed, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Kisses, kisses, kisses. See you later.
Infantix, singing, dancing, and learning.